really quick, I just want to go over a couple of jobs that I did. One, let's take a look. I completed this sod job about 12 days ago. As you can see, it's taken really nice. They had a new driveway put in, and so we did the sod all along the areas that were destroyed. About a month and a half ago, I did this sod on this side as well. We replaced all of this through here. When they redid the driveway, it kind of destroyed a lot of his property as well. So I came back in and we fixed all of that, and we replaced this entire area, this entire space. When they redid his driveway, you can see the staining, right? And it actually destroyed some of the sod up here that we put in, which kind of sucks. What you don't want to be doing, what kind of side job you don't want. This lady, I gave her an estimate. I was $100 less. I cut her grass, but these guys take care of other things. But look at this. All along here. There's no irrigation head there. No irrigation head there. I mean, on camera, it doesn't look as bad. Look at this. I mean, the joints are just, let's take a look. Look at this. Look at this. That's how far separated the joints are. And they don't even care. They didn't even try. They didn't even try. This is interesting too. Look at this. Yeah. That's what you get for somebody else. That's what you don't want, guys. And just to give you an idea, I mean, that's 2 fingers wide of a gap. So that gives you an idea of the difference between quality and somebody who cares about what they're doing and guys that are just trying to make money. It's crazy. So there you have it. That's the after effect once it's cut, trimmed up.